Kulandela ukwemukelwa ngenhlokome ekhaya libuya nendebe ye-WAFCON izolo ibanyana banyana iqhubekile nemibungazo kulokhu ezindlini zombuso ePitoli. Iqembu lezwe belimenywe inhloko yezwe Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa kanye namanye amalungu esigungu sikahulumeni. Iqembu lebhola lagcina ukumenywa inhloko yezwe kwangu-2002 ngesikhathi iBafana Bafana ihlangana nowaye umengameli uThabo Mbeki ngaphambi kwemidlalo yendebe yomhlaba yayibanjelwe emazweni amabili iSouth Korea naseJapan. Emva kweminyaka engama-20 kanye nengama-26 iBafana yanqoba iAFCON namhlanje bekuyithuba lebanyana banyana lokusingathwa umengameli wezwe.
We need to do much more. I do believe that you deserve much more than what you deserve equal pay for equal work that you do. Now, I've been told that you get 10 times less than what the men get when they play. And that has to come to an end.
It's very heartwarming to see our girls happy, successful, and getting the recognition that they deserve.
Banyana Banyana have done it for all the women in sport. It actually confirms that women are actually up to the task as the same as men.
How heavy is all these medals you've been collecting over the past couple of days?
No, they're still very light.
Oh my goodness, I really can't say. But it's pride. It's pride for our country and what we've done with the girls. And the amount of support that we're receiving from South Africa is enormous. Absolutely amazing. And we didn't expect it at all. But it's what we wanted. It's what we wanted to give Mzansi. So yeah, here it is.
Women have arrived and they are actually making themselves counted.
Emva kwesidlo esifishane nomengameli ibanyana bisivakashela eSoweto yadlulela enkundleni FNB kanye nemeya yaseGoli.